Welcome to today's episode. We're diving into the highlights from the AI4 2025 summit that just wrapped up in Las Vegas. With over 8,000 attendees and a massive speaker lineup, this conference truly set a new benchmark for AI events. What stood out to you the most about the scale of this summit?
Oh, definitely the record attendance. Over 8,000 people from more than 85 countries. It's incredible how AI has become such a global phenomenon. Plus, with 600-plus speakers across 19 stages, it must have felt like AI overload in the best way possible.
Absolutely. And it's interesting that they extended the event to 3 days. I think that's a smart move. Monday afternoon content seems like a great way to maximize value for attendees. It's clear they're making this a major industry hub.
Yeah, no one wants to feel rushed at an event like this. The whole buyout of the MGM Conference Center and Grand Arena really shows how much they're investing in the event's growth. But speaking of speakers, I'm excited about Geoffrey Hinton's keynote. Godfather of AI delivering a talk on neural networks? That's major.
100%. Hinton is such a legend in the field. And Fei-Fei, the godmother of AI, is also keynoting about world models and human-centered AI. That's going to be fascinating. These keynotes alone could change the direction of how we approach AI.
And it's not just the big names. We've got people like Emmett Shear, former CEO of Twitch, who's now diving into AI with OpenAI. He brings such a unique perspective. Gaming meets AI.
Right. Plus, the focus on enterprise leadership with speakers from big names like US Bank and GE Healthcare shows how much AI is integrating into core business strategies. They're really bridging that gap between academia and industry.
Definitely. The tracks were a game changer too. They broke it down into specialized areas like AI transformation, healthcare, finance, and even a track for AI beginners. That's a great way to make the event accessible to everyone.
The beginner track was a nice touch. It's like, no matter where you are in your AI journey, there's something for you. But the more technical sessions, they were super deep. Generative AI and autonomous agents were discussed at length, and that's something we can all expect to see more of in the future.
Speaking of future, it's clear that major corporate players were showing up in full force. Cisco, Google Cloud, IBM, these companies are betting big on AI. The exhibitors alone numbered 250 plus, showcasing real-world AI solutions. It's all about deployment now, not just theory.
Absolutely. I loved how IBM was showcasing watsonx Orchestrate and real-world use cases. Seeing AI in action like that is so much more powerful than just hearing about its potential. It's the ROI-driven focus that's really making waves.
And Microsoft had some great discussions around multi-agent networks. I can't imagine how much AI simplification is going to change everything, from enterprise workflows to day-to-day tasks. It's all about making AI work for us, right?
For sure. And outside the main talks, the networking events were a blast. The Women in AI reception sounded like a fantastic way to highlight diversity in the industry. It's all about building connections too, right?
Absolutely. And those structured networking opportunities were a huge win. You could schedule one-on-one meetings, check out exhibitors. It was designed to make sure you didn't miss out on key connections.
And let's not forget about the after parties. Hakkasan on Wednesday? That's a must-attend for everyone looking to let loose after a day of AI overload. There's always that balance of work and play.
Oh yeah! It's like you're learning all day and then partying at night. But going back to the real-world impact of AI, the summit really focused on case studies. How AI is solving problems right now. Not just talking about the what-ifs, but actual implementation.
Right, and the whole agentic AI focus is huge. Autonomous digital workers and AI agents are already transforming workflows. It's not science fiction anymore, it's happening.
Totally. And with workshops for both beginners and seasoned pros, they made sure everyone could take something tangible away. It's all about actionable insights. It's practical AI at its best.
Definitely. And wrapping up, the AI Policy Summit got a lot of attention too. Governance, ethics, and regulation. It's an ongoing conversation. As AI evolves, so must the frameworks that guide it.
For sure. With everything moving so fast, it's crucial that we have those conversations to keep things in check. But hey, what's your takeaway? What's the one thing from the summit you think will shape the future of AI?
Honestly, I think it's the push towards practical, ROI-driven AI. We're moving past the theoretical and into a world where AI actually works for us, solving real problems. That's the future.
Agreed. Real-world impact, actionable solutions, and a focus on people. That's what's going to drive AI forward. And with events like AI4 2025, we're seeing a glimpse of that future. Exciting times ahead.
Absolutely. Well, that wraps up today's episode. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time with more insights from the world of AI.
Take care, everyone.